Over the next video or so, we are going to talk to you about working with packages inside of Unity. Now, in brief, Lee, what is a package?
Well, a package is a package. It's a package of prefabs. I want to see how many times I can say package in one video.
Well, you're up to a pretty good count now.
Well, thanks. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a series of prefabs. It doesn't necessarily have to always be prefabs, but it could also be sounds. It could be textures, materials.
Anything in our project view, really.
Exactly. And what we do is we package it together into a package.
A package is kind of like a box of objects that were at some point in your project view that you want to put up on a shelf and either save for later, to take into other projects perhaps, maybe share with other developers. You can purchase packages, you can download packages, even straight from the Unity website. In fact, the Terrain Toolkit, if you wanted to use that, is a separate package that you can download and load into your projects.
Yeah. In seriousness, now, when you get into Windows Explorer, where we showed you in earlier videos how you can bring files into there, and you can move them around, that when you're working outside of Unity, you don't get the metadata. So you can't actually take a folder structure that has textures and materials and prefabs that you copied out of Windows Explorer, zipped up, and send off to your friend. You just don't get the metadata, and all those links break. By creating a package and exporting it out from Unity itself, it encapsulates all this metadata that it needs to retain the links between textures and materials and prefabs and all the game objects that would normally be inside of your project. It also maintains your folder structure or your hierarchy that you build inside of your project view. So when you select folders, textures, materials, anything that's in there, and you group them together in a package and you hand that off to somebody else, when they import that into their project view, all that metadata that you have in there imports into their project and keeps it useful without breaking all the linkage.
Right. So on the the flip side, well, it's not really the flip side, just to kind of illustrate that, what would happen is you'd import a package, and whoever brought that in would see exactly what you saw in your project view. It would be organized in exactly the same way. Everything would work, no broken links or anything.
Correct.
So let's go ahead and jump into the next video, where we're going to show you how you can create your own packages and how you can import packages that you've created into your new project. So let's jump right forward.